everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a brilliant day, or if I hope you're having a brilliant evening, or if you're watching this at night, I hope you're having a brilliant night. Today, well, basically, I did a video about a few minutes ago. I did what did I call it? Mystery box for BFF. Mystery box for BFF and in brackets, don't tell her. So mystery box for BFF. I did that a few minutes ago. So, and before you watch this, please go and watch that before, because that was my first video. This is my second video. I decided to do. I'm gonna try and do 5 videos tonight, and it is already. I think it's like 12 at night. I think it's something past 12. Let me check. So it is 13. 14. Right. 15 minutes past 12, so I've got a lot of time. I don't have to go to bed yet. I'm gonna go to bed about 1 o'clock, so I have an hour to shoot a few more videos and upload them. I think the box one is uploaded now. I don't know. I've not got the ring through my phone, through the camera, but it'll be up the ring looking through my iPad because I'm filming camera, but it'll be through my phone because it's my phone and phone number. So yeah, it'll come through and say uploaded. I really liked that video. I really enjoyed filming my first video on my first channel. It's not my first channel. I did a channel last year and it wasn't good. It wasn't that good, but I made fun of me in school, so I didn't really like it, so I just stopped doing it. It was fun to film, but just not fun for people to watch, because when I was little, I just always dreamed of being a YouTube star, but I don't want to be a YouTube star now. I just want to be I don't even want to be a star on YouTube. I don't care if one person out the whole world watches my videos, or don't care if 1, don't care if 5, don't care if 100. I don't care how many people watch my videos. I just like filming them and uploading them and doing them. So, I really like it. And if you're new to this channel, well, probably you are, because you obviously are, because this is my own video. It's my second video, so it's in the same day, and you won't be watching this at 12 o'clock at night because probably you're going to sleep. But I'm really tired now. I've got my eyes got bagged under them, but I'm really tired. But I'm going to stay up a bit longer. I have another hour until I have to go to bed. I'm going to get myself to bed. By the time I upload this, you will know what the title is by wait a minute, guys. About the giveaway. I'm still not choosing yet, but I think it'll probably going to be a yes now. So keep it on your mind, put it in your diary, and also in your diary, put the live stream in for Sunday afternoon. I'll do a video tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I'll do a video about the live stream, and probably the title will be live stream update or something like that. Yeah, probably live stream update. So I'm definitely going to be doing a live stream, but it takes 24 hours to think. I've set it all up and everything. It just takes 24 hours to think and you can start to do it. So it'll come through on my phone and say when I can actually do it. So because I don't know when 24 hours is actually up. Obviously I do. It's 12 o'clock now. So yeah. So today, if you're new to my channel, please leave a like. Please press the big subscribe button. Even though I know you're probably going to be saying hate comments and like the so done, because like obviously it's a new channel, but I'm just going to say it anyway. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please press the subscribe button, which is down there, and or up there. And I don't actually know where it is on this camera. So I keep saying wrong because on my old thing on my old channel. I used to film on my iPad because I didn't have a camera then, but I got a camera for my for Christmas this year, so I'm really happy. So thank you, Santa Claus, and thank you, Mum and Dad, for giving me all these presents, and I really appreciate them all. So thank you very much. Right, so what I'm gonna do this today, press the notification bell, please. Push the notification bell, smash the notification bell, and leave a like if you would like to see more videos. And I'm gonna start doing shout outs when I get up to at least when I do at least 6 or 7 videos. So or 5 or 7 videos. Choose when I get to that video, but I can't choose when I get up to any sort of numbers of video because I've only done 1 second one. So it's good. I like it though. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos, and I'm gonna be filming. I think I'm gonna do a few videos every day. I'm gonna be filming every day. If I can't, then if I miss a few days, then I'm just wondering if I miss any days, then that'll be because I'm doing something and I can't. Why do I have these? Oops, I got it. Oops. I'm back. Right, I will be filming quite a lot. Sorry about all the talk, but I just need to get this all over my mind, so in the other videos I can just get started. Yeah, what was I on about then? Oh yeah, no, I don't know. What was I on about? Was I on about the live stream? No, I already spoke through that. What was I on about? Oh yeah, how many times? So yeah, so if I miss them out, sorry guys. If I miss a day out of the week, say I miss a day out the week, a day out the week, then the next day I'll be filming. Say I was supposed to film one video on that day and I missed it. I'll film 2 videos on the next day, so I'm still in track with all the videos. So I probably am going to be filming 1 or 2 videos every day, 1 or 2 videos every single day, and if I miss them, I'm so sorry. But this video, I think my last video I wanted to get up to 4 or 5 likes. Yeah. So this video, I would like it to get up to. It's not the best video, so I'm sorry guys. I couldn't think of anything good because I've only just started, so you know I'm not in the YouTube spirit yet. But yeah. As I said, I'm going to tell you the video in a minute, but yeah, I want this video to get up to how many likes should I do? I want this video to get up to 2 likes, please, just 2 likes, please. Yeah, just 2 likes, and thank you very much. So this video is going to be making some glitter slime. I got a pack for my birthday at Christmas, and I'd like to share it with all you guys. So we're gonna get onto making it. This is nothing of a chitter chatter. This is no more talking from me. I'm probably when I start that, I'm gonna start talking again like I did with the other video. So yeah, remember the giveaway. The bag and the game. So let's get started. So guys, I've got a towel down right here. I'm gonna put you. So this is the glitter set. I've not opened it yet, but this is the glitter set. I mean, I have opened it. I've actually made some, but it's really cool, and I want to show it to you guys as well. So this, you have to be 8 or over. As you can see that clear. And this says make your own glitter slime. Glitter slime. And then this is a girl. Oh my god, is that English? Yeah. this is a girl with this is a girl. This is supposed to be what the slime should look like. I hope it's not like gooey. It wasn't when I made it, so this is what it comes with on the back. I'll show you in a minute. But it says combine three colours and make every colour of the rainbow. It's cool. And it says some instructions there. There'll be more instructions inside, but it says number 1 pour, number 2 mix, and number 3 knead. So that's really good. And then this is on the back it says everything you need to make your own glitter slime, and this is everything you need to make every colour of the rainbow. So again, it says the same thing, but it says something different. So it comes with a little mixing tool, red food dye, blue food dye, and yellow food dye. And then it comes with red glitter, blue glitter, and purple glitter. Oh no, that's pink, sorry. So pink glitter, blue glitter, and purple glitter. And then it comes with 2 bottles of glue, what should be, comes with a bowl, there you can see. And it comes with 2 bottles of, I think it's saline solution, which is B. So I actually did some, so that's why the bowl is here. I'm going to do some pink. This is what it looks like. Oh, and guys, when I've made this slime, if it's good, I'm going to be giving it, if I do the giveaway, I'm going to be giving it away on my channel, so I'm going to be giving it away if it's good. If you don't want it, it's fine, I'm not bothered, but I'm just going to leave it out there for a bit, and then nice. Oh, and all you need to do to win the giveaway is smash the like button, ring the notification bell, and leave a like down below. So, we're going to get the instructions. I don't actually know there. I know how to do it anyway, so we don't need the instructions. So we're going to... So we're going to get the bottle A glue. We're going to unscrew it. It's got one of them caps, I think. Guys, oh, I forgot about the lighting. Sorry about the lighting. I'm going to turn the lamp a bit over. That's better, I think. So now you can see. Sorry, I think it was that light over there, but it was also my little light here right now. So I'm going to take that off. God, I don't want it to go on the camera. So guys, we'll be starting to film on my iPad because this is not my camera, this is my brother's camera. Or when I said before I got a camera for Christmas, I meant my brother got a camera for Christmas, but we share it, so it's not just mine. I'm making it with the wrong words. It's not just mine, it's like what we share. But it's basically my brother's more because he wanted it for Christmas and I got a PS4, so I said it was supposed to be for both of us, but then I said you can have it more so you can have more tunes on it. But I said I would just like to use it sometimes, just to do a YouTube videos. So he said he's a real good brother, and he said yeah. So my little brother. Did I say older brother? I said yeah, my little brother. If I said older brother, I'm sorry, I forgot when I said that. Did I say older brother? Right. So and then it says still 2/3 of the cup, which I'm going to say is that one. That's what I put in last time. Oh god, oh god. How satisfying is that? I would watch that every day. That's so nice. I'll have more, guys. So that is enough, I think. Oh god, that is actually not enough. I'm just going to do this off camera a minute. I'm not going to do it off camera, I'm not going to put camera or anything. But I'm just going to do that. Right, put the lid back on. I'm going to actually put this cap back on because I don't want it to dry up or anything. Then make a few more slimes. Just some little slime to this. Oh god. So the next step was to add your food colour. I don't sign. I'm just going to put that all in. This is just what it looks like so far. I'm going to have to ready. I'm going to add it off camera and show you when it's on. As long as you let it next to me. God, sorry guys. There you go, I'm going to mix it all together now. So I'm going to get the camera in a good place to mix it. Mix it all together, see what colour we get. Okay, so that is a good colour. I'm going to show you guys. You can see the silicone. Right now, I'm going to add the glitter. And I'm going to add all of the glitter. I'm going to add all everything. I'm going to add all of that. I've already had one person say they like the hat, but I was like, that's actually good for like, that was actually really good. I forgot to reverse, so that was like 5 minutes. It's actually really good. Really good. And I add all of it. You ready? 1, 2. That looks so good. It's like such a good colour. I'm going to show you guys. Oh my god, why is it not working? Okay, there you go. So sparkle. So sparkle. I'm going to mix it. I know, don't worry guys, if you think it's watery, obviously it's not really up to it yet. So guys, this is how it looks. Can you see so big? Good to you. There we go. I'm going to add the activator now. You should add the full all the way so like this. I'm going to add the whole thing. Ready? That was not slow, but I don't know how it was. Yeah, I do. Okay, that's it. Slitting it, I just use it now. I used a little bit on it, I'm going to exaggerate it. Start and then use that. I don't even know why I made this because it's going to go on the last screen, so I just going to put it in there, but I won't be doing it now. It's good. Okay, just go. Use it to go to that screen. No, it's just supposed to add half of it. But, so I'm not gonna, I'm just gonna leave it. So this is what it's in that tea. So leave it for like 5 minutes now. But I'm gonna just leave it for the whole day until tomorrow morning. Show you tomorrow when I wake up and it's a fresh day because I'm getting really tired and getting cranky. So. So I think I'm gonna have to stop the video there. So I'm so tired. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Thanks for watching and smash the subscribe, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, scratch the bell button, and sorry guys, I'm going to show a big quick and stuff like so I don't want to get the background noise quick before I shut something. So bye bye, see you later.